Charlene, what is your favorite urban legend?
My favorite urban legend, it would be the one with the babysitter and the guy upstairs. So it's this girl who's babysitting, and then she keeps on getting phone calls that says, "Did you check on the children?" And she would go upstairs and check on the children, come back down, and then she keeps on getting these phone calls the whole time. And then in the end, she realizes the phone call came from inside the house. I saw this as a movie. When a stranger calls, it's very creepy.
Joe, what is your favorite urban legend?
That some people believe GTA 6 is still going to be out in the next year.
Yaku, what is your favorite urban legend?
I had a few, but since I read Urban Legends Dark Tide 20, I must say these three modern urban legends are my favorite now.
So, Cameron, what's your favorite urban legend?
Well, I would say that since we are in South Africa, that the Tokoloshi is my most favorite urban legend. Tokoloshi is a small mythical creature that gets you in your sleep, and the Zulu culture used to lift their beds with bricks so that they can't catch you. Bones, what is your favorite urban legend?